All right, so this one says clay ball. Oh man, my face is big on this one. Slide that down to size, especially when I'm having a bad hair day. 2 kilogram ball of clay traveling at 10 meters per second collides with a 20 kilogram ball of clay traveling in the same direction. What is their combined speeds if the balls touch? So this is that one. So remember that their final. So momentum is conserved, right? So we have P initial is equal to P final. Well, that means that I have the mass of ball 1 and the initial velocity of ball 1 plus the mass of ball 2 times the initial velocity of ball 2. And then the final would be, because they stick together, it would be M1 plus M2, and they would be traveling at the same final velocity. All right, so this is a plug and chug deal, right? So this is M1, that's the first mass. This is M2. This is V initial 1 and collides with this, and this is V initial 2. And then they want to know the final velocity. All right, so we plug it in. 2 kilograms times 10 meters per second plus 20 kilograms times 2 meters per second is equal to 2 plus 10 kilograms times the final V. Okay. So over here we've got 20. Over here we have 40. It's kilogram meters per second. And then over here we have 12 kilograms. And then our velocity is in meters per second. This is going to be 60 kilogram meters per second is equal to 12 kilogram times the final velocity. We're just going to divide by 12 kilograms. The kilograms cancel. And so we end up with 5 meters per second, right? 60 divided by 12 is 5. And then our final answer is meters per second, which is good because we're trying to find the velocity. Any questions on that one? What's not right? What is the combined speed if the balls stick together when they touch? Oh, you know why? You guys, you got to catch me when I make a mistake. I was writing in the mass of the problem we did right before this one. It's actually 20, right? So this was supposed to be 20. I wrote it down here, right? So 2 plus 20 is 22. So then this becomes 22. This becomes 22. This is 22. So then this, I helped somebody yesterday with their homework and I made a simple mistake like that. And they're like, you cost me a point. I was like, just go back and fix it. All right, so then when I divide that by that, you should get 2.73. I wish you guys could have seen the look on your face you were doing this. You're like, yeah, even Mr. Adams makes mistakes. But because I write down each step, see how easy it was for me to fix that? By writing out each step on a piece of paper. All right. Any questions? All right, I'm going to stop this one. Maybe. I lost my mouse. There it is. Woo.